President Donald Trump's company now convicted of tax fraud. The verdict in a Manhattan court coming down late this afternoon.
Yeah, many are wondering what impact this will have on the former president's political aspirations. Pix 11's Eileen LaPalmer joins us now outside Trump Tower with that story.
Well, former President Trump not charged in this case, but now the Trump Organization found guilty of all 17 counts involving this tax fraud. The jury coming to that decision on day 2 of deliberations.
It underscores that in Manhattan, we have one standard of justice for all.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg in court right after the verdict was read. A Manhattan jury finding 2 corporate entities at the Trump Organization guilty on all 17 counts of criminal tax fraud, conspiracy, and falsifying business records.
This was a case about lying and cheating, false documents, to the end of evading taxes for the benefit of individuals and the corporations.
Former President Donald Trump was not charged in this case, but legal experts say it's a victory for prosecutors who spent 3 years investigating Trump and his businesses.
They've now been held accountable in a court of law right here in Manhattan.
The star witness in the state's case, the Trump Organization's former finance chief, Alan Weisselberg. He previously pled guilty to charges he manipulated company books and dodged taxes on fringe benefits. Prosecutors said Trump signed off on Weisselberg's company-paid apartment. Legal experts like attorney Andrew Lieb says this is not the end of the investigation.
The prosecutor said Donald Trump knew exactly what was going on, so they're going to go after the Trump family individually next, as they just brought in a prosecutor.
I will certainly be appealing, of course.
Trump Organization attorneys have said Weisselberg did it for Weisselberg, claiming Trump knew nothing of his personal tax returns. And after the verdict, in a statement saying the notion that a company could be held responsible for an employee's actions to benefit themselves on their own personal tax returns is simply preposterous. As for what, if any, effect this could have on the former president's third bid for the White House,
I think that people are going to eat it up on both sides. If you go on the Democratic side, they're going to be saying you can't have this guy whose organization corrupt. You can't have that. If you go on the Republican side, they're going to say the boogeyman, this is just another Russia hoax. It's a hoax.
And sentencing set for January 13th. The Trump Organization could be forced to pay $1.6 million in fines. And until that appeal is settled, the Trump Organization, now convicted of that felony, could find it harder to do business with other businesses in New York State. We are live here in Midtown. Eileen LaPalmer, Pix 11 News.
Eileen, thank you.
All right.